Do you have access to that room?
No, sorry, I don't.
Are you sure?
No, I have to go, sorry.
But, are you sure?
Oh, hey. You're still here?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh, well, do you maybe know someone that could let you in?
Oh yeah, I do. Steven. Oh my god.
Oh, hey. Do you need to get in here?
Yeah, I do.